Welcome everyone, and thanks so much for tuning in. I'm Lisa Gaskarth. I'm the owner of 87 Events, which is a luxury event design and planning company. I get a lot of questions from people online wondering about how to plan their wedding, and I thought it would be great to start a channel to help people that are not just my clients. So, seeing as this is my first video, I thought that we would maybe start with the beginning. We are full on in engagement season now, and I get a lot of questions online from newly engaged couples saying, yay, oh my God, I just got engaged. Now what the heck do I do? So let's jump right in and talk about some of the first things that you're gonna do after you get engaged. First thing you have to do is let yourself celebrate. Take a few days or a few weeks, even a few months. Get together with your friends and family, have some champagne, and really just take it all in, because the next year is going to be absolutely crazy and you have to take some time to just live in the moment. And also, I feel like that fiancé title is a temporary one, so enjoy it while you can. Number 2 is going to be make a tentative guest list. This is going to be really important when you're selecting a venue. Number 3 is talk about your budget. Talk to any contributors and decide what that overall number is that you feel comfortable with. I know that it's not the most comfortable conversation to have with your family members who might be contributing, but it's something that every couple has to do eventually. Number 4, if you can, hire a planner. And your planner is going to save you time, money, stress. I might be biased, but I feel like planners are worth their weight in gold. Step number 5, begin your venue search. There are a lot of really great online resources to help you narrow down your search, and then you can go see some and figure out which one is best for you. Pro tip is to plan for the maximum amount of guests that you might potentially have at your wedding. This is a big mistake that a lot of people make, and you want to make sure that no matter how many people respond that they're coming to your wedding, that you can fit all of them in and that you won't be cramped. Last but not least, once you've set your date and you have your venue, you can start booking your vendors. My rule of thumb is always to start with any vendors who can only work one wedding in a day. This is going to be your photographer, your videographer, hair and makeup teams, and your band or your DJ. So that's where you begin in your wedding planning journey. Thanks so much for tuning in, and if you have any questions about wedding planning or you're just beginning your journey, feel free to leave me a comment below. I'll also link my website up here so that if you're in the market for a full service planner, you can go to my website and fill out my contact form. Thanks so much for watching, and if you want the content to keep coming, feel free to like and subscribe. Thank you.